The med instead of meds, basil, shrimp, and tomato pasta with feta is a very versatile dish and can be made with any vegetables or proteins that you have on hand. Fiber-rich whole grains, such as this pasta, are a part of a healthy diet and can reduce the risk of heart disease and support healthy digestion among many other benefits. This recipe originally called for 3 tablespoons of fresh basil, but fresh basil wasn't at our grocery store, so I used dried basil. And a good rule of thumb is to use a third or a fourth of the amount. So I used 1 tablespoon of dried basil for this recipe. Keeping shrimp on hand in your freezer will allow you to make this tasty dish in a pinch. You will not miss any traditional canned pasta sauce after you try this recipe of olive oil, tomato, feta, and basil. It is delicious.